Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech, and I will show you a setting that will help you address overconstrained datum targets. I have a project of a car door, and I am already aligned to datums A, B, and C. And when you look at my datums, notice how my datum A comprises of A1, A2, A3, and A4. When working with datum targets, one common approach is the 3-2-1 strategy, where I have 3 datum targets, but in my case, I have a 4th one, which is now overconstraining. And because it is overconstraining, notice how only one of my datum targets is 0 deviation, while the others are negative, which shows me I'm only making contact with just one point. PolyWorks does offer a setting to combat overconstrained datum targets, and if you're working with PolyWorks 2023 or older, you'll navigate to Tools, Options. If you're working with PolyWorks 2024 or newer, you'll navigate to File, Options. And in your Options window, navigate to Objects, expand Features, and select GD&T. And there is a setting in the Datum Reference Frame section called Allow Inside of Material Datum Targets. And in this case, for overconstrained datum targets, PolyWorks will best fit all targets. Just notice there's a warning message that this is not in accordance with the current standards. But let's go ahead and apply and OK, and you'll see that the color map changed, and the way that all datum targets are deviating are now best fit, as opposed to zeroing off of one target. Thank you for watching.